How to transfer money from Stripe to bank account. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to balances, and after that what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on manage payouts. So what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on manage bank accounts, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply click on add bank account to add your bank account. Now, as you can see, you're gonna have to verify this. So you're gonna have to simply verify your email address first. I'm gonna do that really fast. Now, after you do that, you're gonna be able to add your bank account. So you're gonna have to add your details. And then after that, what you're gonna have to do is simply make sure that you made any sales on Stripe. So as you can see, what you're gonna have to do is simply choose your currency, country of the bank account, your IBAN, and confirm your IBAN, and then simply click on add bank account. Now, after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to manage payouts again and click on manage payout schedule. So as you can see, you have two different options. So as you can see, you have automatic every day. Now, if you want, you can select the week or month or day, and then you have manual. So as you can see, you'll no longer be able to see which transactions are bundled in a payout. So you're gonna have to simply choose any of these. Now you're gonna have to simply enter your password again if you want to turn off automatic payouts, but I don't recommend you to do manual payouts because it's faster and easier to do with automatic payouts. So basically you just have to add your bank account, and then you're gonna receive every day or every week or every month payouts directly to your bank account. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.